Hello and welcome to this training. In this section, we will be creating an Amazon KDP account. We are going to be using Amazon Shopping Cart, Amazon Shopping app in creating the account. Because if you are in Nigeria and you are trying to create a KDP account, you won't be able to create because of our IP address and our phone number, except you have a foreign phone number. That is when you'll be able to create the account and receive the OTP that Amazon will be sending to you. So because of that, to solve the problem, we are now going to be using Amazon Shopping app in creating the KDP account. So just follow the steps as we will be creating the account. Amazon Shopping app. So here in Amazon Shopping app, you will not be changing the region. You allow the region to be United States of America while you create the account. Click done. Then, since we don't have account already, but if you have account, you can follow the process. Already a customer, you can follow from there. We are going to be creating a new Amazon account. Click on New to Amazon. Now, put your first and your last name. First and your last name. First and your last name. Just make sure that the name that you put on Amazon is the name that is on your payment method, the payment method that you'll be using. So, in the mobile number place or email, use email address. Paste it. Copy it before. Here. Now, just make sure that you put a strong password just for your own privacy. So just to protect your account, just put a strong password. Now, press your password. Press your password. Now, click verify email address. Verify email address. It's loading. Now they have sent an OTP to the email address that you use in creating the account. So now you put the OTP that Amazon sent to your email. In this case, we have 934416. Click on create Amazon account. Create Amazon account. Create Amazon account. Yeah, our Amazon account has been created. To verify our Amazon account, since they will be requesting for a phone number, we are going to change the phone number place, the two-factor authentication place to Google Authenticator, so that we will not be requiring to put a phone number. So click on this three dot, yes, three sign. Click on it. Go to accounts. Then look for login and security. Yes, scroll to two-factor authentication. Turn it on. Then in this two-factor authentication, you scroll down. Okay, click get started. Yes, we have two options. It's either you use phone number which Nigerian phone number is not accepted any longer. So since we don't have any foreign number that we'll be using, we are now going to switch it to We are now going to switch it to Authenticator app. Here, now we are going to scan this barcode to be able to link your Amazon account to your Google Authenticator. You can scan, but if in this case we are using the phone that we have the Google Authenticator to do the recording, so we'll just copy the code to your Google Authenticator. Switch to your Google Authenticator. Okay, go to Add and enter the setup key. If you are unable to scan, you can just enter the Authenticator key. What name do you want to be seen there? You can just put Amazon KDP. Just put any name that you know that you'll be able to recognize whenever you check your Google Authenticator. Put the key there. Put the key. Paste it. Click Add. Saved. Now, a code will be generated. Go back to Amazon. Okay, then put the OTP. Put the code. Yes, we are almost there. Now, don't require OTP on this browser. You can do that if you are the owner of the phone or the owner of the devices that you are using. So just say, click on got it, turn on the two-factor authentication. Voila, we have our two-factor authentication created. Now, after you might have gotten to this place, you can now switch to your laptop and continue the account creation from there.